Yeah, hi Raksha, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm good, totally fine. So you're at the campus right now.
Yeah. I'm in campus right now.
Okay, how's the campus like? Me.
Yeah, it's really good. Like after 6 months, we came back to campus. We are meeting our friends, and yeah, it's very good.
Okay, I hope you're having a good time in the campus.
Yeah, yeah.
Nice. So your placement happened online only, right?
Yeah, online only.
Okay, so where have you been placed?
Yeah, I've been placed in Microsoft.
Okay, and the location? Have they specified the location?
No, actually, they have not told the location, but what they did is they have just given the list of 13 teams, like in whichever team you want to like work, or there are many fields that they have been working on. So, according to the location, they have not categorized, but according to the work, they have categorized. So, we have filled that form, and yet that has not been fixed in whichever team we will be going. I only know that I'll be given software engineer role. That's it.
Okay, okay, that is nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll get to the questions directly. So what was the minimum criteria to apply for Microsoft?
Yeah, the minimum criteria, the first of all, the CG criteria, it was 7.5 uh, for ME, like for ME and BE both. Whoever that has CG 7.5 or greater than it are eligible to apply for Microsoft.
Okay, the 7.5 is for the ME CGPA or for the BE and throughout your
Both,
academics?
both, both as well in throughout your academics.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. And was there any other criteria receiving shortlisting or anything like that?
No. Initially, it was only the CGPA criteria. I'm talking about on-campus placement.
Okay, okay, fine, fine.
Yeah.
So yeah, so can you just tell me about the number of rounds and what was the rounds?
Yeah. After the CGPA criteria, there was online test, and after that, four technical rounds were there. In our case, the fourth round got cancelled due to some reason. So there were only three technical rounds for us.
Okay,
Hmm.
okay, fine. And what about HR round?
It got cancelled. The last
Okay.
round.
Okay, last round was HR.
Yeah. No,
Okay.
technical come HR, we can say both. Uh,
Okay.
hmm.
Okay, fine, fine.
But in the
So,
third round itself, they asked some of the questions like why Microsoft. So we can say like the third round, they have converted that technical round into HR and technical round. So
okay, okay,
yeah,
fine. Okay, nice. So, yeah. So what was the test procedure? Means what was
yeah.
the question pattern and about the coding?
Yeah, in online test we got two questions. One was related to coding, and the other was debugging question. Uh,
Okay.
uh, but in that platform there was something that if you submit once, it's submitted. You can't change the code like second time, twice or thrice. That was something different. And the level of coding question and debugging question was medium to hard.
Okay. So, if I understand correctly, the debugging means you need to identify the error in the question and
Yeah,
you need to fix that.
like some of the statements were written already. It was also giving some output, but there were some edge cases that we need to only think that test cases. We need to run on that whether it was I'll think some of the test cases and its output. If it will not be giving that output, that expected output, then I should change my code accordingly.
Okay,
Like
fine.
that. Yeah.
And finally, it should
Basically, we
run.
need to think more on edge cases. Yeah.
Okay, finally, it should cover all the edge cases which they have
Yeah,
specified.
yeah, yeah. Yes.
Okay, fine. And do you remember the coding question?
No.
Okay, it's fine, it's fine.
Hmm.
Okay, and after that, how many people were shortlisted out of this test?
About 50 candidates, I would say.
Okay, five.
B and MA. Yeah.
Okay, fine, fine. Okay, and how many from ME? Any idea?
7 to 8.
Okay, fine, fine.
Yeah.
So, Yeah. So did you have any previous work experience after your BTech?
No, no. Just
Okay.
I was preparing for GATE while I was doing BTech. After that, I did GATE exam and then BITS SD exam. Through BITS SD exam, I got ME in software system in BITS Pilani.
Okay, that's nice. So you're at 2019 or 20 pass out, right?
20 pass out.
20 pass out. Okay, fine, fine. That's nice. So can you just brief me about your first technical interview?
Yeah, in my first technical interview, the discussion starts with the project discussion actually. They asked in whichever project you have worked and what role you have performed in it. I described briefly about the project and also my role. Then there are some of the questions related to the project only. Like they have given me some conditions based upon that project only. How would you have solved that how would you have solved in that or performed in that conditions? Later, he asked me a question about graph, and he told me you can take any text editor and start writing the code. So for 30 to 45 minutes, or I can say like 30 to 35 minutes, I was writing the code for the question that was related to graph. Then we both started debugging, like we take the input cases and we start debugging the code, like wherever I have done mistake or anything like that. After that, if I have done the code like if it was going in the right direction, then he started putting more constraints on it so that the questions become more difficult and how I will solve upon that condition. He was just checking like that. Okay, if more constraints I'll add from my side, then what will you do? And if in case you are not able to solve, you can say ki, if I could get some hints. Then they are very friendly. The interviewer was very friendly. He was also providing some of the hints if in case I got stuck. And yeah, that was the only communication in the first. He gave me like two questions and I did that two questions. Later he starts giving more constraints on it, and like I was succeeded in solving that finally.
Okay, okay, fine. So both the questions were from graph.
One was from trees and other was from graph.
Okay, what was the level of the questions?
I would say one was like medium and other one was hard. Like tree was hard, we can say hard question, and graph when that the question with the graph was of medium level.
Okay, fine, fine. So do you remember the questions?
No.
Okay, okay, no worries. Okay,
Hmm.
fine. So yeah, how long did the interview take? I mean,
1 hour and 15 minutes. The duration was 1 hour and 15 minutes.
okay, okay, fine, fine. And like, how many people were selected after this first round?
I would say like 35 people got selected, 15 people, yeah. After online screening test, we can say 50 people were selected, and after first interview, 35 people got selected.
Okay, okay, fine, fine, nice. And did they ask any technical concepts like from OS or DBMS?
In second interview.
Okay, okay. So like you can go on explaining the second round.
Yeah, yeah. Like second interview was bit tough for me. First of all, he started with the projects only, and then also more like in very detailed discussion about the projects. Then he came upon some system design concepts. Although I did not know them, but I was just giving from the concept which I knew. I was replying the questions, but from the concept which I knew. Then he told me that I want different terminologies related to that. Then I got the idea that he's asking something about system design, which I also don't know. Then he switched from system design to bit manipulation questions. He asked me like 6 to 7 questions from manipulation itself. After that, he came upon the concepts of computer networks. Like he asked me various questions from HTTP, HTTPS, DNS, and what if we write like Google.com. Some of the questions related to computer networks. After that, he came upon OS, and he was not asking like what is semaphore, what is mutex, difference between that. He was totally asking practical question. He gave me some real example for that. How will you say? Not that you have read. Like how can you any real world example he was asking for. After that, some of the questions related to DBMS also, like normalization. Like he has asked me all the concepts, I think, in all the subjects. He has
Okay,
tested
okay.
me in all the fields. Then, besides all that, he came, from the coding part, bit manipulation was asked, and after that, one of the stack question, like I think I also know the question where it was like design the data structure, push, pop, and get minimum in order of one operation. So
Okay.
he gave me that question. So I started with the brute force approach, and later he was asking ki how you could optimize it. Then some of the hints he was also giving, and finally I did that question. Yeah, that was my last question.
Okay, okay. So, what was the duration of the second interview?
It was 1 hour and 20 minutes.
Okay, that's very long.
Yeah, he asked me a lot of questions.
Okay, okay. Fine. And did they ask you about any projects, like in detail?
Yeah, yeah. In second question, he asked. He tried to like connect my projects with system design. Like, if in case this happens, then how will you? I was giving the answers, but he was expecting something from system design. So
Okay.
then he came to know that she somewhere lack in this subject, so he switched to bit manipulation and OS, DBMS, and that's all.
Uh, yeah, I've heard कि Microsoft usually asks system design questions to
Hmm.
everyone. Okay, fine. So, yeah, and what
But
about
like if you, it's not like if you don't know, then they will not select. But if you will know, then it's a plus point for you.
Mhm.
Yeah, he has more than enough knowledge. He or she has more than enough knowledge, like that.
Okay, okay, fine.
Hmm.
And yeah, what kind of projects have you done?
Uh, one of my project is related to deep learning concept, and the other project is one of I have done website online auction website project, and one more project I have done that is related to machine learning.
Okay, fine. And are they focusing on any particular programming language or they are like generalized?
No, no, they are like yeah, you can write code in any language, either C++ or Java, whatever you know. But it's like in all the interviews, I have seen they are not only seeing your coding concept, they also sees how you debug the code. Like uh,
Okay.
with you only they are debugging ki, okay, this line will do this, okay, various
Okay.
edge cases they are giving, and if your code is not able to run those edge cases, then what you can do more better, how you can optimize it. Only writing
Okay.
the code is not enough. I think debugging, they are also watching your debugging skills.
Okay, which means how you handle the edge case and how you
Yeah,
manage to
yeah.
handle them later.
In both the
Okay.
interviews, like interview, they were also debugging with me, and they were saying ki you debug the code, we are watching. Like you just tell like what are you thinking, or yeah, that's what I noticed in both the interviews. Then coming to the third interview, the interviewer was very nice, and it was third interview was my best interview.
Okay.
As compared to the first and second interview. First of all, he just asked me about pandemic situation, ki, uh, what's going on, how are your parents, and that's all. Then he started with the discussion of my project. He he didn't ask very much about my project. He came upon some coding questions related to linked list, and linked list is one of my favorite topic because it's easy to. So I was
Okay.
confident in that. After that, he asked me one of the questions related to Q.
Okay.
Uh, yeah, and then again he asked why Microsoft, and that HR question, basic HR question. Why do you
Okay.
want to join Microsoft, and why software systems? why not computer science? He asked me like that.
Okay, okay, fine. And all these three questions were coding questions, right?
Yeah, yeah. In all the interviews, I got coding questions only.
Okay, like what was the level of the questions in the last round?
For linked list, I would say it was medium and or medium only, not so hard.
Okay, fine, fine.
Yeah,
And like how many people were attending this third round?
third round. There were 20 people, we can say. After that, after this third round, 13 people got selected. But fourth interview for us, it got cancelled. So all the 13 candidates were given a full-time offer.
How did you prepare for this coding section?
Yeah. As soon as I joined like BITS Pilani, in my first semester, I took one of the coding ninjas course, that is data structure with C++. Uh, I would say that that course really helped me well in building my base strong for coding. After that, I explored more and more questions on Lead Code and Geeks for Geeks, and yeah, this was only it. And besides that, many YouTube channels also I preferred while coding. Like in whichever question I got stuck, there are some. Like I have seen so many YouTube videos. I can now shortlist ki for these topics, these YouTube channels are best. Just
Yeah.
for that. Yeah. And I would say for preparation, if you have good friend group like you can interact with. So what they should do ki they should decide this 5 to 7 questions we should do, and later at some point of the time they should discuss. Like all friends should discuss. So for one question they will have 3 to 4 tricks. So in this way they can learn better. What I think is.
Okay, that's nice. So you practice mostly from Jigs for Jigs and Lead Code,
Lead
right?
code. Yes.
Okay, which one do you prefer most?
Geeks for geeks. Not all the
Okay.
question, not all the questions we can do, but wherever we can see ki it seems important also. Like we can get important questions. If we'll write GFG, mostly asked questions, uh, then we can practice those questions first. Then later, wherever you are seeing, yeah, in this topic I am lagging behind, then you can practice more in that topic.
Okay, okay, fine. And did they ask any dynamic programming questions in any of the interviews?
No, no, they have not asked. For me, they have not asked. Like,
Okay.
it depends on the interviewer.
Yeah, that's right. So, how did you prepare for the technical concepts like OS, DBMS, and OOPS?
Yeah, while I was preparing for GATE, I prepared notes of OS, CN, which in the duration of like 1 month when we got the time to prepare for our like placements. So I just revised them only. Besides that, wherever in GATE we actually read all the concepts very deeply. So wherever I was thinking ki I should not read that much in that much deep manner, I just like YouTube channel only. Gate Smashers. That YouTube channel really helped me in some of the subjects. In whichever topic I like, I want to finish it very fast. Okay, just see it and I'll just do it. So I took the help of that Gate Smasher YouTube channel.
Okay, okay, fine. And were they focusing on any particular topic like graphs or trees, or they were asking from all the topics like in
For
common?
me, it was like in first interview they asked from graph or trees. In second interview, stack also came, queue also came, bit manipulation also came. In third interview, again linked list. So they have asked me from all the topics.
Okay, 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 fine. That's great.
Hmm.
And yeah, so one last question. What's your CGPA?
It's 9.4.
Okay, that's really good. Okay, fine. And how many people got selected from masters?
From masters, only one people. From B,
Nice.
they took 12 people, but from masters, they took only one people.
Okay, that's really good. Okay, fine. And one last question. So, what would be the suggestion? What would be your suggestion to the people who are preparing for a job in a company like Microsoft?
I would like to say keep practicing, believe in yourself, and all the best.
Okay, that's great. That was great talking to you, and I wish you all the best for your future. And explore big plan.
Thank you so
Thank you so
much.
much.
Thank
Yeah. Okay then. Bye.
you. Bye.